Open the Housing License Agreement for Spring 2020. This is a very important document that you must read carefully and you must read thoroughly. Begin with sections 1 and 2 and read them closely, and then move to section 3. Under section 3 is where you will rank your preferred type of room using the scale of 1 as your first choice down to 4 as your fourth or last choice. 0 should be used if you're not interested in the type of room. Make sure that you also read the highlighted section very carefully as it explains the type of room, but also the fee for the room each semester. And in some cases, like option C here, you'll see that the option is not available for the spring 2020 semester and cannot be used. Other options, like option D here, is for female students only. As you select, make sure that you have chosen appropriately. The next several pages are very important and you really must read them carefully. These are the terms that are legally binding that you are agreeing to with this housing office. So please make sure that you understand what you're agreeing to. On page 6, you will begin to initial. So in order to make your initials indicating your agreement of the section, you click to initial, at which point it'll show you if you have saved initials already, or you can draw your initials in, type them in, upload them, or use your smartphone. In this case, I will type in my initials, which are EM. When you select insert, it places them under the item. As you go through, please read and then initial your agreement. Make sure you understand what you're agreeing to. Each time you click, it will automatically fill in your initial. Continue to do so for the rest of the page. You'll notice on the top left-hand side that the required fields left go down as we click through. Make sure that this is 0 in order to move to the next page. Lastly, you will click to sign your agreement of the whole document. When you click, just like previously, you can either use a saved signature if you have one, draw it in, type it in, upload it, or use a smartphone. In this case, I've typed in my full name. Once you have the green check mark up here, you are all set to continue, and you can click continue to move to the next page. After clicking continue, make sure that you select I agree to complete the application.